Talesong 13. The castle. I arrive, papers in hand, at the castle tall, bureaucrats stare, they barely recall. They say I'm needed, but no one shows why. I knock, I wait, my patience runs dry. Maps and forms, endless halls I roam. The castle's rules twist, never feel like home. I ask for answers, I get vague signs. Lost in corridors, and endless lines. I try to work, to prove my claim, every door closes, it's all the same. The village whispers, people shrug and stare, power hides in shadows, unfair. I fight the system, but it drags me down, a stranger alone, in bureaucracy's town. Hope and frustration blend in my chest, the castle's mystery puts me to the test. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.